Hello everyone, this is the second video of this weekend. This video I will be focusing on the basics and the roots of takeoff, which is fairly simple. So this video is not going to be as long as the landing video, which took a long time. Okay, so here I am set up at the San Francisco International Airport. Let me check which pillar. 28 left. Okay, that's good. So right now I'm set up with everything. The engine is off. The stall signal is flashing for no apparent reason. So that's ready. So now let's lower the flaps completely. The parking brakes are on, by the way, if you couldn't tell. Now the parking brakes are on. So now I'm gonna press the handbrake with the space bar. Then I'm going to turn on the engine and send it to full throttle. So let's have that. You got to wait for it for a while. And handbrake is the most powerful because parking brake is only meant for incline stopping. Okay, now take off the brakes. Have the elevatrons neutralized. So there we are. So, okay, the speed is coming. This aircraft, I think, takes off at about 100 knots. Then the G taken off. That's the landing gear. Then move the elevatrons up a lot because then you're gonna take off the flaps. That's a really high incline. Never do the high incline, by the way. That's way too much. This one I couldn't get it right because I was talking, but it's fine. I'll do a non-talk takeoff at the end. Okay, that's good. Now let's reset here and turn the engine off. Brakes on. Flaps should be all the way down. Then elevatrons neutralized. Engine on, handbrake on, throttle full. So let's have that. So let's just wait for, okay, there we are. RPM is at full. Never have the spoilers on while takeoff. That reduces speed. We don't want reduced speed. We want more speed. The more the speed, the faster we can take off and the less chance of crashing. Incline angle should be good. And then the flaps, take the flaps off. That was the smoothest landing I've had while talking. So that's a good sign. And let's just wait for the gear to go all the way up. There we are. Now this next landing I will do without talking. Then we'll watch a replay of it. Okay. Alright, so this is going good. Now we'll watch a replay of this video. This takeoff. So yeah, okay, that's good. Let's pause it. Let's wait 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, pause this here and watch the recorded flight. Okay, I'm not doing anything here. The flaps are about to go down. Yep, there they are. Here they go. Then engine should go into full right now. So the handbrake's are on, if you didn't notice. And let's just wait for a while. Sorry about it. There we are. Okay, now the handbrake is off. The knottage here, the knots, it needs to go to 100 knots. Actually, I think it's 125 knots to take off for this particular aircraft. Different aircrafts have different knottage requirements to take off. So this is going well, really well. That was a really smooth takeoff, by the way. Takeoffs are my point of strength. So yeah, they're going in. Let's just wait for the player to finish. Yep, there we are. Okay, everyone, that will be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed learning about takeoff and how to do it, and hope you use Geo-FS. See you in the next video. Bye.